In this section, you're going to learn physical as well as psychological strategies that will alter the way that you respond to challenge. If nothing else, being an entrepreneur is certainly filled with adventure. And like we see in any good book, no adventure is complete without its ups and downs, its highs and lows, and that occasional speed bump that just seems to pop up out of nowhere. Learning to deal with and to take on entrepreneurial speed bumps takes a bit of practice. It takes a dedication to thinking and to behaving in ways that may be foreign. It takes a certain degree of flexibility that seemingly comes easiest over time and as a result of a self-directed commitment to producing at and to becoming your very best. In this section, you'll learn elements for developing a growth mindset as evidenced in the science of positive psychology. You'll discover how to put your inner Einstein to work by uttering 3 simple, powerful words. You'll be motivated towards becoming a physical entrepreneur, one that understands that the connection between productivity and physical and mental health is completely interdependent. And one cannot sustain high levels of productivity for long periods of time without all of these things working together. So as you begin to enhance your ability to respond to both challenge and to opportunity, positive results becomes a natural byproduct. I'll see you in the next lecture so we can get started.